Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me video, but this is going to be a more relaxing after dark clean with me compared to anything I've ever done. Most of the videos on my channel are super upbeat and motivating, and so I wanted this to be a little bit more relaxing, calming, but still motivating. So if you need some cleaning motivation, let's do it together. Alright guys, we are starting off in the kitchen tonight. So I ended up making some sheet pan fajitas for supper, and I'm just putting the leftovers away and tidying up all of the dishes. I'm gonna keep this video, again, very relaxing, and so I'm gonna play some music here, and I'm not gonna be talking a whole heck of a lot in this video, so try to relax and enjoy the video, or get up and get cleaning with me. And let me know in the comments what you think of the more relaxing type of video compared to a fast upbeat speed clean.
Keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast, I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. I know you think of it too. Got on down and we ended up sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days, do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lacked, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word.
I would love to know, what is the one thing that you have to do every single night after dark when you are cleaning? For me, it is the dishes. I just love waking up to a nice, clean, empty sink. I always say it must be the waitress in me, as I used to be a waitress and bartender, but I would love to know what that is for you.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come? Say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. So I said, hey, don't you want to come?
So that paint there is actually for the countertops, so stay tuned for a home DIY. We are going to be painting this countertop as well as this one, which is just like over here. As this one is stained, I mean, it's stained all over the place there. These are clean, and so I can't wait to do that. So stay tuned for that home DIY project, which will be up on my channel hopefully later this month. If not, hopefully the beginning of February. It does take 2 weeks to like do, so it's gonna be a process, but I'm so excited to take you guys along that journey as well.
Never was the last word that I heard you say. before you hung up the phone. Silence, never thought that it would go this way with you wanting me gone. I don't believe it, no. Just last week you called me your babe, and now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello, can we sit and talk this through for once before you call off the show? Cause even if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Tell me, can we meet up at your place tonight, honey? I'm coming over, yeah, you know me. I would give up anything for you. You say it, you know I'll do it, yeah. I don't believe it, no. Just last week you called me your babe, and now you're letting go. The way you're talking is driving me insane. Hello.
Alright guys, now that this sink is clean, I'm throwing a load of laundry in before taking you guys downstairs to basically unforeign territory.
We're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head, I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down.
I have shown our basement one other time here on my channel. We don't spend a whole lot of time down here. It obviously, as you can see, kind of gets neglected. The only time we spend in our basement is in the evenings, and so it really needed a good tidy up and a vacuum. So I'm just going ahead and tidying some things up. I would love to know how much time you spend in your basement.
I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down,
So yeah, I've never shown this bathroom before, and here is why. I mean, stay tuned for what it looks like.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should.
Okay, you guys, guys look at this floor, this is actually clean, and this is what I was talking about, and it's just so gross. No matter what I use, no matter how hard I scrub it, it just doesn't get clean. And that is one thing that I despise about this basement, is just the fact that I clean it and it just, again, does not matter. So if you have any tips, or if you have a house like this, let me know. I mean, we are just renting this house, so it doesn't really matter, but it kind of does, and that is why I don't spend a lot of time down here. We are moving on though to continue to vacuum the area, and you will see my favorite area really, really soon with our fireplace.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Alright, so now it is time for some laundry motivation. If you are wondering why I'm smiling here, my sister and I ended up FaceTiming, and I was saying hi to her and her kids. For those of you that don't know, I live in Canada, and I actually just moved across the country a little over a year ago, away from my entire family. So I do like to FaceTime, and I usually do it while I am doing laundry and stuff like that. So it was really nice to see my sister. She's literally like my best friend. And so I'm just gonna play a little bit more relaxing music.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink.
Thank you so much for watching today's After Dark Relaxing Clean with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that red subscribe button for more homemaking, lifestyle, and cleaning motivation coming up here on my channel in 2021. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.